Yeah, very good. Come on, ma. Python programming plus we are explaining some additional content that is called a NumPy. NumPy with Python and pandas, which is a more useful for you in data science. In data science. In data science. So this NumPy and pandas is a data science related kind of very frequently used data science in artificial intelligence, in machine learning, and then in deep learning. These are the hot topics in present days. So our course is Python programming with NumPy and pandas. It's not only just Python programming. We are talking with NumPy and pandas. Right. Let me give about my introduction. Of course, I need not to give my introduction to you people. Already, listen, ma, last 15, 20 minutes, last 15 to 20 minutes, I am going to give you the doubts of yours. Last 15 to 20 minutes, even I will spend half an hour with you people. I will clarify every person doubt. Now you try to listen when I'm explaining, try to listen and try to understand the perfection of the subject. What Python can do for you, what it can do. First, I want to go for it. This test, first today's session, I will take actually this session. First, listen what I'm talking. Later we can get it. I am requesting to all of you, please listen very carefully during my explanation. Later, last half an hour, I will be spending with all you people. I will take about the doubts session. Okay, please, during my explanation, you carefully listen. And your doubts will be last half an hour. I will clarify. It's my request for everybody. Even if you send your doubt in the middle of it, is it Django covered or how many days? All these things I will cover in the last 30 minutes. I will spend with you. So, dear students, I am requesting to all of you, please listen my concept carefully. Okay, right. So my name is, you are already most familiar with my name because it's a very frequently coming across name. So you are already familiar with it. So it's Miss Caviar. It's Caviar. And I did my PhD in, yeah, I did. Okay, right. I did my PhD in the subject of the design and analysis of algorithms. Design and analysis of algorithms. Analysis of algorithms. This is a very hot topic. This is a algorithms. This is my research topic. CSC is a strictly PhD in doctorate in computer science. It's a doctorate in computer science. Right? Computer science, doctorate in computer science from the OU. This is from OU. And next, I'm going to move further. And I'm having overall experience is called what? Overall experience which I'm having. 20 plus years of experience. 20 plus years of experience. And and out of that, around at most 15 years of experience, which I am associated with the company called iGate, MNC Global as a different positions. Now this is associated with, as on today, Capgemini now associated with the company called Capgemini. Now there I am going to provide the support for them as a solution architect for them. Yes. So coming to the point of it, so mine is totally a vast experience in the subject of which I am familiar with. Even my classes and our expertism, which I am taking the classes, related to Java programming. This is my total experience in the software industry. And from the past 5 years onwards, past 7 years onwards, 6 to 7 years onwards, we are taking Python programming with various levels. Python programming we are taking. Along with a different type of modules, NumPy, pandas, scikit, Matplotlib, like that I'm going to take. This is our expertism area. This is our expertism area. And here I am taking the Java classes as well as Python classes. This is my experiences. So it's not academic level of experience. It's totally a real world kind of, real time kind of experiences what we are having here. Right. Now, so you are clear about my kind of the, yes, ma'am. So even if we go for Amazon, my book is also there. My book is also there. Right. For Java, it was there, advanced Java, core Java kind of things. Dear students, let me go for straightforward to the subject. Let me go to the straightforward to the subject. My introduction is clear and my experiences are clear, and I'm going to give you the course time. The time of every day. The time of every day is going to be 2 hours. The course time is called 2 hours daily. This is called daily. Daily. This is called daily. My course time is what? 2 hours. The timing is what? 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So between 10 minutes that time decide. Minimum I will take 1 hour 45 minutes. Minimum I will take the class of 1 hour 45 minutes. Dear students, daily 2 hours. And one more point I want to cover before entering into the course. You people also very carefully and sincerely and heartfully you think about it. Heartfully and sincerely you think about it, dear students. Especially in Amirpet, of course, I don't want to criticize anybody, but I want to make my students to realize. I want to make my students to realize. For realization of students, I am telling this point. What that point is? So in Amirpet, we are getting various varieties of tracks are coming. Number one is called what? Fast track. Fast track Python. Because I need to speak for a few minutes about this topic, these issues. Because all heartful students, all clever students, all sincere students will at least come out of this type of cheating mechanisms. At least they will come out of these mechanisms. Listen, Amma, listen. I will last 20 minutes. I will clarify your doubts, please. That's what I am talking about this center. Because I have to make you to realize what is the subject. If you take this fast track Python, they will teach in 15 days fast track. This is over. 15 days Python is over. Python over, student over. Please, can you respond it? Python is over, student will be over. With artfully you think about it. Python over, student career is finished. Heartfully you think about it. For my question, you please respond it. Student career is finished. Will he qualify in anywhere else interviews? Will they qualify in anywhere else interviews? Yes. No, sir. They will not qualify anywhere else. Right. And somebody else will come. Somebody else will come. The Python. What they are saying is Python is 1 month. Is 1 month they are saying. That also I will say Python will be over and a student also getting over. That too they will talk about only one hour. 1 hour they will talk about. Because this is what the students are, some of the students not going everywhere, some of them around, I can say 10% of the people are preferring after BTech is over. They are thinking immediately I want to get the job. That's why I will go for fast track. 15 days Python is over. That student will not get the job anywhere else. That student will not get the job anywhere else, dear students. Even the anybody complete in 1 month, 1 hour only, 1 hour only they will take it. And 4 Sundays will come. 30 days minus 4 Sundays, 26 days. 20 star will be definitely absent for 2 days. You will be absent for definitely 2 days. And 20 hours. 20 hours, what you will get it, dear students. Here, my course is, of course, it is not, I'm saying, my course within 20 hours, nothing will be coming. Here I'm going to spend around 2 hours minimum. I'm going to take 1 hour 45 minutes. I'm going to tell about. You think carefully, thoughtfully. You think about it. I'm going to take 2.5 months. 2.5 months. I'm going to take 2 months. 2 months. 15 days. I'm taking 15 days. 2 months. 15 days. Or it will take even 3 months of time also. Why? Because you heartfully think, and because of that, don't fear. After 4 years BTech is over, we did not get any job. After 4 years is over, we did not get any job. Am I right, students? Am I right, students? Please confirm now. Because I am the faculty which I speak openly with all my students, heartfully, that too. 4 years BTech is over, we are not getting the job directly. So can't you spend with me 2 months, 15 days, 3 months? Because I am adding some special new features that is called a NumPy and Pandas. NumPy and Pandas, which is the most useful to you in the data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Because as an industry programmer, I want to take the Python very perfectly, where you can write the coding like anything. Coding like anything. Okay, this is my time, Mama. This is my time. Please, will you confirm once? Will you confirm once? Will you confirm once? I will guide you, Ma. I will guide you. All you people, I will guide you like anything. First, let us take some confirmations from you. Will you confirm? Please confirm. Please give the responses. All of you. Very nice. Very nice. Super. Fine. Next. Now I'm entering into the further discussion. Now further discussion. Further discussion. Look at. Now, when we come to the programming languages, within 5 minutes, I will start my session. Dear students, this Python course, if you want to learn it, this Python course, if you want to learn it, what are the prerequisites, sir? Prerequisites. Prerequisites I'm going to talk about it. Prerequisites I'm going to talk about it. Prerequisites I'm going to talk about it. I am saying that if the prerequisites is no need to have any programming knowledge. Dear students, please listen, ma'am. I will give you your doubts in the last 15 minutes, last 20 minutes. No prerequisites here, no need to know. I'm writing no need to know. No need to know C language. Never. I will explain like anything for you. Even a layman also can follow this. No need to know. No need to know. No need to know C++. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. Only your sincerity is required. Only your commitment is required. I want only prerequisites are your commitment. Your commitment is required. Plus your responsibility. You need to feel responsible. You need to feel responsible. Then I will take care about everything in my class. So I made it clear. To learn this Python course, no need to have any prerequisites. This is number one. Dear students, last and final, one more thing I am going to say. Last and final, one more point I am going to say. Dear students, if a student want to get it, if a student want to get a job, if a student want to get a job, if a student want to get a job, compulsory the student must contain excellent coding standards, excellent programming knowledge, programming skills required. Excellent programming skills required. That is nothing but excellent coding skills are important. Programming skills are nothing but coding skills. Coding means some of the people will fear like anything. Some of the people will fear like anything. I am there. KVR sir is there. KVR sir is there with you to write the coding like anything. You please write on the top of you write. Please write this type of title on the top of your heading. On the top of your notes, you write it. I don't know programming. KVR sir said that he is there. He will make you to write the programming with the left hand, left finger. You please write. If we have a will, if we have a will, if we have a will, we will. If we have a will, I will write one small proverb. If you have a will, if you have a will, we provide. We provide. We provide skill for you. We provide what? Skill for you. If you have a will, we will provide a skill for you. That is what I am saying, that commitment plus responsibility is important. Dear students, without coding standards, we never get any type of jobs in the software industry. So I am requesting to all the students, you need not to have any fear about the coding standard. I am there. A KVR sir is there. He will provide the extraordinary coding standards. The secret of my batches, which is a more than anybody else, our strength is only because of what? Only because of you what? To make you to, yes, ma. Shuhovan, yes, you are, yeah, you are IIT Delhi student, excellent. Yeah, earlier I was there. Yes, earlier I was there. Shuhovan, IIT Delhi. Yes, I was there. Yes, exactly. You are correct. Fine. So you are my core Java student long back. Excellent. IIT Delhi student. Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you being a part of my student once again in the Python after some days. Right. So let me come to that. So some of the IIT students are also present in our class. Congratulate them. And then last and final, this is a extraordinary credibility of my class. Anybody don't know programming, my class will be the first in priority giving the coding standards. Fine. And last and final, I'm giving you, if you don't mind, I will tell you one thing. I'm not going to ask you anything. I'm asking one small question. What is www? One small question I will ask you, then I will go to the discussion I will start. What is the www? All of you, please respond. Yes. Okay. Everybody said that. Okay, nice. World Wide Web. Excellent. Okay. Last and one more I'm asking. What is HTTP? What is HTTP? Yes. Good. What is OS? Last and final. Yes. No. Okay. Fine. So you are all giving full forms. Nobody will get the jobs. And you don't feel it because I am the one which I'll speak in front of you directly. Because wrong is there, wrong. Wrong is there, wrong. Correct is there, yes, correct. Which I'll speak openly in front of you. All of them are giving, everybody is giving, who are all communicated with me, they gave to me only full forms. Will you get the job? Even LKG student also will give you this full form or not? Even LKG student also will give you this full form. Am I right or not? Dear students, please confirm. Once we confirm, LKG student also will give you this type of LKG student also will give you the full forms. But after our BTech is over, after our MTech is over, after our PhD is over, is it the answers we are giving? Are you supposed to give these answers? No, sir. We need to learn perfect subject. Now, finally, what is our standards? Please tell me what is our standards. All of you, please confirm what is our standard. Yes, Gautam, very good, ma. What is our standard? Out of 0 to 1, out of 0 to 9, what is your standard? Right. So below the basics, and I can say even we don't know the subject properly. So I'm going to conclude, and don't feel disappointed. Sir asked a question, we give only full forms. Don't feel, because some of the sincere students, some of the most perfect students will feel, okay, we did not give even small answers also. So how can we cope up? Yes, need not to worry about it. KVR sir is there, which I will make you as a wonderful student in my class. Right on the top of the page, KVR sir is there for MBA students, for mechanical students, for civil students, for BCA students, for degree students. I will explain from the basics of the subject. From the basics of the subject, I will give you. Even a non-technical person also can understand like this. Now I am entering into the subject. Please permit me to enter into the subject. Right. So, irrespective of your backgrounds, I will bring into the single line of place. Now I am going to get it into the single line of place. Now I am going to enter into the course. Fine. So our course is Python with NumPy. So this is our programming. Our course of action is called this one. Our course of action is called this part. Yes. Right, sir? Now I am going to enter into the discussion here. Any programming language you people are learning, any programming languages you people are learning, today I am giving you the overall picture about with Python what you can do. I am giving the overall picture about what this Python can do. And today it will have some type of bouncing also. Some bouncers will come to you, but you need not to worry about the bouncing, because in the day one itself, what is my total expertism? I just want to put it on your heads. So next day onwards, actual course content will be started. We are entering into the course content one by one in the class. One by one in the class, we will enter into the session very slowly, very perfectly, where everybody can understand from next day onwards. Today, some overall view about what Python course can do for us. So dear students, now I am going to write it. Over the past few years, listen, my subject is starting now. Over the past few years, the technology around us had a major facelift. What I'm saying? Over the past few years, the technology around us has had a major facelift in almost every aspect. What is the meaning of facelift here? What is the meaning of facelift here? Some changes, rapid changes has come. Rapid changes has come. Because some of the people can say, same code they will tell again and again, years together they will say, even though new features are coming. So even though new features are added, new facilities are added, that is called a facelift concept we can call. Even if you take vehicles, if you take it, vehicles concept, if you take it, some new model came. New model is nothing but what? Existing vehicle has a facelift. They changed some coding for that. Dear students, now I am going to give you the concept here. Over the past few years, the technology around us has a major facelift in almost every aspect. Take the example of what? Living digital world. And the notes also we will give you perfectly, because it's the first day, whether you feel it as a demo session or regular session. Whatever I am giving, we will be giving to you in the form of a material. How the material is going to reach to you, I will explain in the class. Right? Let us listen what I am going to discuss in the class. So what I am taking, in the present industry, we have the majority of the technologies has a facelift in almost every aspect of it. Dear students, we are living in the digital world. We must realize that we are living in a world which is driven by software everywhere. Where are we living now? In the digital world. And we are living in a digital world, and every kind of aspect is driven by the software, where majority of the modern facilities and services run on a piece of code. Suppose I want to book a ticket to the movie. A piece of code is running. In the travel industry, you take, I want to reserve a seat to go to my native place. A piece of code is running. I want to book something in the Flipkart. I want to book something in the Amazon. Some piece of code is running. Almost every aspect, since we are living in the digital world, everything is driven by the softwares only. That's why most of the modern facilities and services are running in the piece of code. Take the example, travel industry, you take it, banking, you take it, and then research, you take it, defense, you take it. In majority of the places, our technology is running on that. Now, dear students, now I am going to give you one point here. What that point is, what the discussion here is. 1 minute more. So, coming to the point of it. Okay. Now, in a software, being a part of the programmer, to do this kind of programming very easily in the software industry, we are supposed to learn some programming languages where we can write the coding very, very easily. Not like a very difficult. Any software, be it a part of the present or past or in the future, it will be written The softwares are written by using some type of programming languages. As of now, we have a long list of programming languages that keeps on updating, that keeps on increasing month by month, and a long list of programming languages are there. And in that long list of programming languages, one of the programming language industry is preferring nowadays like anything. That is what is called Python programming. That is what is called Python programming. There are so many languages are there. Out of all these programming languages, one of the languages is giving the very high priority. That language is called what? Python programming we can call. So what is that Python programming is going to offer for us? As on today, what are the various applications we can develop with the Python language? That I want to give you some clarity in the class. So I hope that you people are understanding my English. So what I said, in the modern world when we are living, everything is running in the piece of code. Such a piece of code is written with the softwares only, with the programming languages only. Day by day, so many programming languages are coming. Day by day, so many programming languages are coming. Those programming languages are having a very big list. In that very big list, our Python is having the high priority programming language. That part we are using, we are learning, and we need to understand in the beginning. Like an academic people, I don't want to go for history of Python directly in the beginning of the class itself, because we are not coming here to learn its history. I don't want to go for directly variables, because first we need to understand what is the real-time scenarios of Python programming. I am talking about real-time applications of Python programming. I am going to talk about real-time scenarios of what? Python programming. With the Python programming, what type of applications we can do? With the Python programming, what type of applications we can do? Right? Now I will write one by one, and even some of them will be bouncing to you, and you may not be understanding that words also, but we are going to understand very perfectly in the next day onwards, where I am going to start my original topic. So at present, I am going to explore the knowledge of overall view of the Python programming in the software industry. Dear students, are you following me? Can you give one small confirmation so that I can move forward? Please give one confirmation. Type in into your chat window or raise your hands. There is a symbols are there, raising the hand symbol, and then please give one confirmation to everybody. Please give a confirmation, all of you. Confirmations are not coming. So yes, are you following? Please give the confirmation. Yes. Now I'm going to enter real-time applications of Python programming. What are the real-time applications we can develop in Python programming? I will write one by one. And don't expect immediately the explanation for that. Don't expect explanation immediately for that. I will give you one by one in the class. What are those kind of real-time applications? I will write it. So once we know coding with the Python programming, the first application development you can do. Number one, web application development. We can use this Python programming in web application development. I will write various applications. Carefully try to listen. Web application development. First one is called what? Web application development. We can use this Python programming in web application development. Sir, already web application development developed with Java, sir. Web application development developed with Java, sir. Web application can be developed with .NET, sir. Then why Python, sir? I told you, Python is one of the dead easy programming. Dead easy programming. Sir, can you show me one small dead easy coding, sir, so that we will realize that it is dead easy, sir. We will realize it is a dead easy, sir. For example, all of you, one small example I will show you in the Python. so that you will feel that it is a dead easy, sir. One small example I will tell you. In my system, I have a Python software. I have a Python software. I will show you how to download the Python software in the tomorrow class itself. For example, I want to display the calendar of this month. Calendar of this month, for example, I will use some type of libraries. I will use some type of libraries. Calendar. Now I'm going to say print calendar dot. See, just carefully try to understand. Even a single English message is known. Calendar dot. I'm writing here month of 2021 of something like a 5 of 5. 5 is called a month number. 2020 is called year. You please see how easy we are getting. How many lines of code is written? Dear students, how many lines of code is written? How many lines of code is written? Please confirm. Don't worry. I will explain all these things. Just 2 lines of code is written. I got the month. I got the year. I got this month. For example, I want to get 1947 when the freedom has come. 1947, and then month number is 8. August month 1940. 15. Friday we got the freedom fighting. Freedom Independence Day we got it. See how easy to write the coding in the Python language. So dear students, and don't feel that it is a difficulty. Python programming is a dead easy. So even though we have some technologies for development of web application development, Python is also preferable in the software industry because it is going to be easy. Nowadays, people can use it, Python, for web application development. And in further classes, I will elaborate what is web application development. You can understand all these terminologies. In today's class, I am giving the overall picture about what Python can do for you. Some of the words you can understand, some of the words will bouncing for you. All those things will happen. But tomorrow, when I'm going to start the original content, you will be most effective student. You can understand like anything. Because our class is not like first day is 100%, second day 80%, next day 60%, last day is called 0. Not like that. We start with the 0 students knowledge. We will enter into the professional knowledge because most of your friends are there in our existing batches. They already suggested you and to come to this place, and you are here. Right. Second one I am writing, second place where you are using this Python rigorously. Now next is called what? Gaming application development. Gaming application developments. Gaming application developments. We are using gaming application development. 2D games and 3D games which we are having as a mobiles. These are all going to be developing very easily with Python programming coding. With the Python programming coding only, we are able to do it very easily. That means coding, I am talking always. Once we know coding very well, you can do wonders and miracles. Coding means don't feel it is a difficult. As long as KVR sir is teaching to the students, they will write the code like anything. The best example is our friends already suggested you how easily they can write the code. So gaming applications also Python programming can easily develop. In earlier days, people used to use a C language, different type of programming languages they used to use, which is a very difficult. And when Python is coming into the picture, Python is becoming a more popular programming language for development of games. Next, Python can be used in artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence applications, you can write it. Artificial intelligence applications, you can write it. So, dear students, artificial intelligence applications you can develop it, and we can use it in where machine learning and deep learning you can use. These are the new areas of industry where you are coming across in the data science related kind of things. Even I can write what data science related kind of things. In my regular class, I will be explaining about the Python programming, how it is most useful in artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning, deep learning? I will give the complete awareness for it. Because I already had NumPy and Pandas is a special module we are explaining specially in these batches. Fine. Let us coming to the next. See, Python is spreading its fragments to how many languages you see. Next, Python can be used in desktop GUI applications. desktop GUI applications. Desktop GUI applications like UIs, like user interfaces. Python can be used for development of desktop applications, like a calculator application I want to develop. Like a calculator application I want to develop it. I want to enter the employee data, employee forms I want to develop it. How I can develop it? I can develop with other programming languages also, but Python is the most easiest programming in writing that code. And next time we are going to use Python can be used in image processing also. Image processing. Image processing is one more kind of area where Python can be used very rigorously. What is image processing? How it is done? We are going to give you some type of examples in the class. Next, Python can be used in text processing also. Text processing also we are going to explain. We are having the discussion in the class also. Next, seventh, the overall areas of Python where we are using it. I'm writing complete areas in the class. Next, we are using, this is in business applications. Business applications where we are using in the industry. In that places also we are using. The business applications means what? E-commerce applications you take it. E-commerce applications you take it. Some of the SAP tools you take it. Some of the band tools you take it. Lot of e-commerce applications. Lot of Amazon applications, Flipkart applications, LinkedIn applications, eBay applications. Lot of business applications we are using it. So Python is everywhere. I'm listing it out of the areas where we are using Python nowadays. Next, I'm using the eighth one I'm using in education programs, and then training programs. Of course, this is not necessary. Just I'm writing that. As on today, if you look at the Python is becoming a minimum knowledge even for school days also. That's why in some of the CBSE, they introduced a Python also at 10+2 level, 10+1 level. In education programs also, Python has become a minimum language. In Finland and all those things, some of the countries, Finland, have you heard about it? Finland. In those countries, Python is becoming a minimum language for them, even from the 5th class or 6th class onwards. So coming to the point of it, ninth point I'm saying. In training programs, in education programs, Python is becoming a minimum language. Next, I'm going to tell you about in audio and then video-based applications. In video-based applications also we can use it. In audio application development, in videos application development, how to play audio, how to play videos. There is behind that some piece of code is running. Such piece of code can be easily written in Python programming. Because whatever the areas I am writing, at least a few examples I am going to tell in the class. Right? So 10th, I am going to write it one more type of thing. Web scraping applications, web scraping. It is also known as what? Web harvesting applications. Web harvesting application development we are using. So what is an example of web scraping, sir? For example, in a Google, I am searching for a laptop configuration. For example, I am searching for some laptop configuration, or I want to buy some laptop. Some few minutes back, I searched it. And after a few minutes, when you are entering into your mail ID, you are going to get some advertisements are coming from HP, from different vendors. You are going to get some advertisement regarding laptops. How they will come to know that you searched it? Because they applied the concept of web scraping. Web scraping, that is nothing but as a part of digital world. The web scraping has becoming a minimum concept to be used in this application development. Python is playing a vital role. Python is playing an important role in web scraping or web harvesting. Are you understanding the terminology? Are you understanding the terminology of this web scraping or web harvesting? Come on, ma'am. Yes. Let me move forward. 11th, I'm going to introduce. And all these things, either directly or indirectly, I will elaborate in my class, ma'am. Nothing to worry about. Just I'm talking about what are the real-time applications Python is addressing. Just I'm going to talk about that. Next, I'm going to talk about in the Another one I'm going to talk about it. Data visualization. Data visualization. Visualization. So I want to go for data visualization, which is a very, very important in data science. So data visualization. For data visualization is concerned, we are using pandas, matplotlib, we are using that. For example, you take the situation of COVID like this. In this COVID situation, if they study the samples of 100 people and they want to see that what are the symptoms of various people, they will apply the analytics and they will go for data visualization. So in previous days, what are the symptoms? In present date, what are the symptoms? And they want to go for data visualization. So data visualization is nothing but where the people can understand how the data will be analyzed, how the data will be forecasted for the future purpose, which I will speak in the class related to the detailed discussion. Next is called what? Next is called what? Scientific and next is called numerical operations. This is where we are going to use in our defense, in our what do you call, in DRDO, in different type of defense kind of thing, scientific applications. NSA, FBI, different type of security agencies are using scientific and numerical operations are minimum. If you take NASA, maybe you heard about the NASA. Those people are using this Python programming from the beginning onwards for development of what? Scientific applications. And this numerical operations, I'm going to tell you like anything, numerical operations with a NumPy. Scientific operations can be developed with SciPy and scikit-learn. There are some new type of modules are available. Next I am using 13th one I am using in software development also. Of course, these are all comes under what? Software developing applications only. So in software development also, this Python is using like anything. And the fourth one I am writing here, in operating system development also. We are using. Example is what? Once you download some software, and installers will be there. Installers. After downloading, you will be saying clicking on that, and it starts installing. To install some piece of code is written. That is known as what? Operating system installers. Ubuntu, you take it. Red Hat Linux, you take it. Skol Unix, you take it. Such a type of OS installers are internally containing some piece of code. And Ubuntu is one of the OS where to install it. Some installer code was written in the Python programming language. Next, 15th one I am writing. Even in operating system development also, Python was very, very important. In CAD-based applications also, CAD, you are designing architecture, engineering architecture, mechanical students are aware of it. In CAD-based applications also, we are using this type of applications. CAD-CAM kind of applications. 2D and 3D kind of discussion. And the sixth, we are using this kind of things in where? Embedded application development also. Nowadays, people are using. Embedded application development also, this kind of Python is using. Next, I am writing embedded applications. Also, we are using. Earlier days, people used to use C and 8086. Nowadays, people started using already this Python programming. Next, 17th one I will write it. Now, 17th one I will write it. Console-based applications also we can write it. Console-based applications also we can write it. From the beginning of our Python language, we are writing console-based applications. Console-based applications, we are going to write it. That means running in the current machine and seeing giving some inputs and getting some type of outputs. We are seeing from the beginning onwards. Next, we are going to show you computer vision kind of things. Computer vision kind of applications also we are writing. Because these are all a detailed explanation is required in the class, which I am giving with the coding part. With the coding part, I am going to explain. Next is called what? Some of the people are using language development also. Very soon, some of the languages are coming. By using Python, they want to develop it. Like a Spark and Scala, you take it, which was developed with the Java language. Like that, some technologies are going to come, some languages are coming where they are using these languages called what? Python. So Python is also playing an important role in the language development. And next we are using 20. We are using this Python in automated applications also. Automation testing. Automation testing places they are using it. Automation of testing. That is called automated testing or automation of testing. In testing, Selenium kind of things also people used to use earlier Java, and Java code is little difficult compared to Java Python programming. That's why Python is rigorously decided to use it in the testing cases also. To develop the test cases, people are decided to use. Next, Python is using in animation place also. Animation places also. Animation application development also people are interested to use it. Next, I am going to write a last and final data analysis and data analytics place also we are using it. Data analysis and data analytics. What is the difference between both of them also I'll be discussing in the class. In data science level, data analysis, data analytics, both of them are required. Next, if you go for it, still I am getting something in the mind where we used it. In development of IoT applications also, Internet of Things, we can use this Python language. Development of IoTs, in that level also we are going to use it. See how many areas of applications. These are all require what? Perfect coding knowledge in Python programming. See, by learning a single Python programming, single coding standards very perfectly, we can get the job in any one of this area. That's why if this is only the language which is addressing these many number of needs, if we miss this type of programming, there is no future for us. And that too, completing Python, anybody can complete, but with the coding standards, with the perfect coding, with the case studies required in the classroom to discuss. So, dear students, I hope that you are understanding what I am talking in the class. Can you give one small confirmation? Students? Did you understand what I wrote? Did you understand what? Only names you understand. Need not to know what is scientific and numerical operations. I will explain in the classroom. Suppose I want to generate a OTP. One-time password. How do I write a code? If it is other languages, I have to write a code of 15 to 20 lines. If it is a code of Python, I will write just 2 lines of code. Which is very, very easy. That we can do like anything. So, dear students, I just have a confirmation in my class. Today's class, I just spoke about what my course is, what is my course duration is, and what my course will deals with. And overall thing is what are the real-time applications we can develop with Python. And in tomorrow's class, without late, we are going to start the original content. I am going to start the original content where you can start understanding like anything, where we can start learning like anything. So Python programming is used in one area or many number of applications we can develop. How many areas of development of applications? I said almost in how many areas we can use Python language? Yes. So in 23 areas of development, we are going to discuss this. In 23 areas of development, our Python language can be used. So in all these things, all these words, I will explain in the class. What is analysis? What is analytics? I will explain with respect to our NumPy, and Pandas also I will explain. What is animation? What is automation? In which place, which type of concept of Python is using? Where the operating system development? How to shut down the system with the operating system coding? How to start the system by using Python code? All those things I will explain. what is data visualization, what is web scraping, what is web harvesting, all those things, this terminology I will explain one by one. So by keeping all these things in the mind, without late, we will enter into the Python programming original content in tomorrow class itself. Without late, we will enter into the tomorrow's class without late. So I'm going to give you the conclusion. I hope that everybody followed. I hope that I'm not fast, I'm not slow. I think it is suitable for you. Am I fast or slow now? Okay now. Is it fast or slow now? Okay now. It is okay. Fine. So okay, you got my points. Yes. Fine. Thank you. So now I will go for taking. Now I will go for taking. Today, what is our topic name? What is our topic name, ma? I just said what? Real-time applications of Python programming. Real-time applications of Python programming. That means the Python can be used in software industry in how many places? I just said. Yes. Yes. Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. This one of the student you are teaching. Okay. Srinath, you are okay. You are praising me. Thank you. So he was my student. He was my student earlier, and he is teaching in one of the degree college, and he suggested this message. He just want to confirm this message to our students. So he just gave this message for me. So I am yours. Okay. Of course, he is training, saying to you, and he's saying that this message. And he learned Core Java from me long back because of you only, sir. I'm teaching Core Java in degree college, sir. You are teaching amazing, sir. The way you are teaching is something like this. Okay, thank you, ma, for staying on all these kind of things. And don't feel that I'm just showing this because he expressed that. I'm just showing that part for you. Right. Thank you, ma. In tomorrow's class, I'm going to start the original content. Still any friends are there? Please inform to all of you. Now I'm going to take your doubts. Now I'm going to take your doubts. I will be there in the class. I will clarify all you people's doubt and I will wait. Slowly, you people can ask your doubts. Slowly, you people can ask your doubts. Right. Yes, ma. Yan Sudhakar. Yan Sudhakar. For regarded videos is concerned, you please talk in the office. Please talk in the office. Right. Please talk in the office. Yes, ma. We have one important point I'm saying. Here in our place, we are having in our institute, we have a placement kind of thing. We have a placement. We have a placement. We are going to train you. We are going to conduct the test here only, and we will try to place you. And if you don't read, if you don't practice, without doing anything, we are not going to place you. We will conduct the test. We will conduct the test. And here only you can get the job by reading well, because we are the certified trainers. You are going to get the complete knowledge here only. Right. So in tomorrow's class only, we will start our regular content. Regular content we are going to join. Tomorrow itself, we are going to start the regular content. Right. Fine. Right. Yes, ma. Yeah, Sudhakar, I said, now, once I teach this kind of thing, you can develop any project. Regarding the live project, I will tell in the class. I will tell in the class. Yeah. Yes. Fine, ma. Slowly, I will cover everybody. If I did not respond immediately, because so many messages are coming now, I'm giving the type of thing. Yes, ma. I'm going to give you this material, day-to-day kind of material. I will upload in the Google Drive class. I will upload in the Google Drive class. You can download that Google Drive class. Whatever I will be giving the perfect notes in the class, I will be giving and uploading in the Google Drive class. Yes. Yes, ma. Patan Mansoor, without knowledge of C language, this only I told you. With this only I told you. Without no need to know C language, no need to know C++. Without knowledge of anything, you can understand the Python like anything. I expect only one thing: commitment plus responsible. If you feel, you will follow my class like anything. Yes. Come on, ma. Yes, no problem. Any student, 2018 student, 2019 student, 2020 student, all the people we have. Yesterday only we conduct the test for our Python students. Java students and then Python students, we conducted the test for placing them in various companies. Lot of people are approaching us. NASCAM standards we are maintaining that. That's why they are approaching us to make you to place in various industries. Right. Right. Offline classes now, we don't know when the offline classes will start. When the government will give permission, we don't know. That's why we are going to conducting online classes. Yeah. Yes, I said you know, BTech students of any background, BTech students of any background, MTech students of any background, MBA students, degree students, everybody it is suitable. Even for intermediate students also it is suitable. Yes. Yes, ma. Lakshmi Kant, it is possible to write even in the Ubuntu also, no problem. Yeah, Jayant, no timing changes, ma. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, fixed. It is a fixed. Test will be virtual mode only. Test will be virtual mode, ma. Venkateshwar Rao. Test will be virtual mode. Yes, ma. Mansure. After the sessions are over, we will conduct the test for you. Regularly, we are conducting the test. 15 days once we are getting the companies and we are conducting the test. Yes. We have Monday to Saturday classes. We have Monday to Saturday classes. We are taking the classes. Lokesh, tomorrow itself we are going to start the virginal class. Virginal class. Yeah, Java batch also will be starting coming 14th or 14th new Java batch will start. Coming 14th new Java batch will start. Yes, ma'am. I used to teach Java also. I told already in the beginning. Our total experience is in Java. From the last 6 to 7 years, we are teaching this Python. Yes, right. So, come on. We are going to start next month 14th. Java batch will start. Now it is starting Python batch now. Yes. Bonagiri, I did not get any message from you, ma'am. Yeah. Yes. So if you miss the class, beginning, they will give you the video for you. Right. Sayyidullah. Okay. Yes, Sayyidullah sir. Thank you for attending even at the age of 50 years. And you will get perfect programming, sir. Sayyidullah sir, you will get perfect programming. You are a management person. You attend the classes. You see how beautiful programming you will get. You cannot imagine that much programming skills you will get it. Sayyidullah sir, this is my advice for you. Yes. Yes, ma. Who is this person is giving that big doubt is generated that okay 2013 information Mastan GV. Yeah, 2013 as a mathematics teacher, but I have a passion in software field. No problem. Mastan GV. If you improve your subject nowadays, you will have the future. You will have the future. So please learn this Python programming very well. You will get many. Okay, I told you the few places where Python can be used. In any one of the place you can get it. There is no doubt in that. Okay, right. Thank you. So next, what is that? Next is what? Slowly, slowly, because many people are saying that messages. I cannot see that. Sirajan Jain. So no problem, no problem. Yes, if even anybody is preparing for government exams, don't wait for government exams. When they will conduct and when do you get the job, we don't know. It is a never-ending story. Learn this Python programming and you will have the better future in your career and you will get very better results will come, better jobs will come. Okay, right. So even testing people also, one of the students saying that I'm working in testing field. What do you suggest for this? Even in testing field also, Python is compulsory. Without Python nowadays, no programming, no application development. Yeah, now financial assistant, somebody is working. Yes, you can financial assistant. That I said business applications. I said one of the area is called business applications. In the business applications also we are using Python. There also you can use the coding. So for business analyst, for financial analyst, this type of language is compulsory. Right. See, mom, in all the 23 areas, you are using the Python coding. Once you learn coding very well, you can just play in all 23 areas. You can just play in 23 areas. Right, Manikanta. One of your student in 7 a.m. regular doing daily. I did not join Python class and okay, right, mom. So yes, mom. Manikanta, thank you, mom. Manikanta, thank you. Very good. You are my Java student morning hours. Very good. Welcome to my class. Yes, 2013 batch, but I want to start career in IT. Yes, ma. No problem. 2013 or 2010 also no problem. We are having here, once you know subject well, we are having the testing mechanism for every 15 days. That time when you qualify, you will be getting. Rishi B, sir, I have an experience of NGO as a center manager, 2003 batch. Now I want to start career in IT. Yes, that only I am saying. For some of our students, financial analyst, some of our Sayedullah sir, he is also 50 years person and he is a management person. He also want to learn. You can learn it. For every student, this Python is most suitable. Yes, ma, recording sessions somebody is asking continuously. You find from the office, I said. Find from the office, please. Yeah, mechanical background, civil background, BCA background, anybody else can learn Python and you can get the jobs. Right. I am currently pursuing BTech 8th semester and yes, ma, no problem. You learn in advance. You learn in advance. Even the students who are learning, who are pursuing the courses, better to learn Python now itself. So when the BTech is over, immediately you can get the job. You can apply for the job. Right. So I have the classes 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 1, 4 to 6, 6 to 9, 6 to 8, sorry. All these classes, 5 slots are going on. Right. Arun Kumar, live project you asked. I will tell you about the live project in my class. What exactly it is. What exactly it is. We are going to discuss in the class. Okay. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Our institute will provide the certificate for you. Certificate somebody is asking. Our course will provide the certificate by our institute. Yes. Jaya T, 2.5 months is the course duration. Yes. Dear sir, I want to know, I am working 1 minute, ma. I am working in the field company, but I want to change my field to Python language. Helpful. Yes, ma, I told you already. This type of students are many. Ambuja Pandey, you are my student already, right? Ambuja Pandey, you are my student already, right or not? Java student, huh? Yes. So it is most useful to you. No problem. It is helping to you like anything. It is helping to you like anything. For fees details and all, you contact in the office now. Yes, N. Sudhakar. I used to teach all Java contents, total Java, core Java, advanced Java, Python we used to teach. Yes. So for fees is concerned, you contact in the office. Okay. Right. So already they will give you that. Fine. This is the fixed time, Mama. 9 to 11 is my timing of the class. We won't change. It is going to be fixed. Yes. Mohan K. Yes, it is exactly. It is exactly. Yeah. Prashant Iyer. You speak in the office, ma. They will give you the payment details. You can go for it. Yeah. Some Sai Kiran is having some 4 years of BTech after that. We have very excellent we have excellent formulas are there with us. 4 years, no, even 10 years gap people are there. They are getting the jobs in Python nowadays. Because Python is one of the trending language. They are not seeing how many years of gap and all those things. They are seeing the content, how good knowledge you have. So better to get it. And Python programming is very important to capture any type of application development. Yes. To practice is concerned, you require a system. Without practicing, how can you get the knowledge, ma? You require to have. Yes. Yes, man. Nilesh Sarah. About the project, I will tell in the class. I will tell in the class. You will understand about this. You will convince with my answers also. Right. Yes, ma. This class is ending today. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock, we will meet in the class. As usual, tomorrow, 9 o'clock, we will meet in the class. Tomorrow, sharp 9 o'clock, we will meet in the class. Okay, right. So Vedant Joshi, Python is enough. Oracle database is not necessary. Oracle database is not necessary. Okay. Yes, ma Aishwarya. I told you already 2 months, 2.5 months to 2.5 months it is. 2.5 months. Gautam, I told you na. Tomorrow actual content will start. Actual content will start. Karmakar. Karmakar. Nobody will teach free, ma. Nobody will teach free. Okay, right. No need to have any basic knowledge of Java, sir. You can understand Python like anything. I told already, you see on the screen. To learn Python, no need to have any C language, no need to have any C++, no need to have any programming knowledge. It is a programming which I am going to tell you from my bottom of the subject. Nothing to worry about it. Yes. So now it is started at 9 o'clock. In the future, it may be starting in the evening time, 4 o'clock and then 6 o'clock also. Right. Yes, ma. Shirisha, for degree students, for BCA students, for BCom students, for BSc students, all placements are there here. All placements are there. Yes. Virtual testing will be there. Virtual job testing will be done because it is a COVID situation, lockdown. It is a virtual testing will be conducted. Virtual testing will be conducted. Yes. Nitish, Kitoji, Nitish. Python programming is most required, most enough for data science. Python programming is most enough for data science. Okay, now? Yes. Jayant Ketineni. This is a slot is free, ma. In this slot only our Python course will be conducted. In the morning time or evening time when the slot was free, that time it will start one more batch. Yeah. Sushil Kumar, I am a diploma mechanical student. Can I join Python? I told you, na, any engineering background you have, you can happily join the Python course. Yes, ma. Saurav Jena. Yes, for AWS, for DevOps, Python is compulsory. You learn Python programming perfectly, most of the things will be solved by yourself. Yes, ma, I showed you, na. So I told you already, the same doubt you are asking again. Surya Vamsi, sir, can I get a job after learning only Python? Not anymore. See, along with the Python, we have to learn some additional thing called data science related things. You need to learn it. Small data related science course you need to learn it. Right. Yes, ma, you can develop it. You can develop it. Roy, Preeti Rai. Yes, you can develop it. Preeti Rai, you can develop it. So tomorrow sharp 9 o'clock our class will start. Yes, any more doubts? Yes, ma, I told you. Aitishri Rai, I told you, even the academic gaps are there up to 10 years. Once we learn coding very well, you will get the complete knowledge. You will get the complete programming and you can get the job. No doubt in that. Yeah, Shubham Mohanty. Python with DevOps, okay. Python with AWS also okay. No problem. No problem. Anything you can go for it. It is your convenient. So this is the timing we have 9 to 11. This slot is free. Yesterday only I completed my Python batch. New batch is started in this time. If any new slots are free, that time it will be starting once again. Yes, ma'am. Bachu, Veera, Venkata, Monica. No need to have Java knowledge, ma. Here I told you already. No need to have any knowledge of any language. You can understand language like anything. Yes, ma'am. Diva Prasad, I did not see your message, ma. Please don't mind. Again, you send it because people are going on sending messages. Okay. What is that? Bala Venkat. Sir, I am working in HDFC Bank now. HDFC Bank, planning to build my career in the Python. Yes, learn it. I told you now, all financial analysts, all financial services, you can do with it. Learn programming knowledge, which is most important for everybody. Learn it. For everybody, this is compulsory. As on today, it is compulsory to shift into the IT field. Yeah, Deva Prasad, Odisha. Python with AWS is good. I told already. I addressed your doubt. Jayant Ketaneni. If you have a time, you learn Java also. If you have a time, if you want to get a multiple skills in multiple languages, try to learn it. Yes, ma. Kadiri Jagadish. Tomorrow I will tell you how to download the Python software. Tomorrow class I will tell you how to download the Python software. Don't worry. I will take care. Yeah. Mechanical engineering students, civil engineering students, electronic students, all of them can learn Python. They can enter into the software line, no doubt in that. Okay, fine. Yeah, regarding the project, I will tell in the class now. Avinash, regarding the project, I will tell in the class. Okay, nothing to worry about that. So I am BTech student in electronics and telecommunication. I told na, it is a one-word answer. I told you, Shivan the power, Shivan the power. For all the students, if you want to enter into the Python software development, Python language is compulsory. That we are going to do that. I addressed that doubt already. Electronic students, telecommunication students, civil students, anybody can learn Python and they can get the jobs. Right. Avinash, I told already in the class. Regarding the project, I will tell in the class. Fine. Shirisha, yes, ma'am. You can continue. You need to take desk some name. Surya Vamsi. Take 64-bit, ma'am. Take 64-bit. So tell me, ma, CHCPH1729. Please reply me, sir. Please send your query once again, ma. Because a lot of students are sending the messages, na, that's why. Sir, qualified in 16, but pending completed in 18. Will I get the job? That's what I'm saying. You, irrespective of your gaps, irrespective of your academic problems, whatever the problems if you have very good knowledge in the programming, you will have the good future, good job. Okay, I told already in the class. Pavan, sir, about the placements, I told you now for every 15 days or 20 days, one company will come, they will conduct the test. They will conduct the test. Okay, right. Yes, ma. Deva Prasad. All of them are going to have the demand. So Python demand is there, Java demand is there. We need to get efficiency in the programming. We need to get the perfection in the programming. Yes, Shivakumar, contact in the office, ma. Give you your details. They will, whenever it is starting, they will intimate you. Shivakumar, you just intimate them. You just tell them. You just tell them you are going to have this plan. Say daily 2 hours, right? Is there any exams after the class complete? Pavan, you are going to get the complete awareness about that. Once the class is started, na, you will get the complete awareness after that. Complete awareness. Right. Yeah. Shreya Jalla. Once you are registered with this institute, you will be going on sending the alerts for writing the written test. You are going on getting the written test alerts. You can write a written test many times also. No problem. Right. Okay. Shiva Kumar. That only I said, na? Just now I said you, na? So even lot of MBA people are learning the Python language nowadays. Deva Prasad. It's my advice for you, learn both. Deva Prasad. You learn both. It's my advice. Yeah. Tomorrow itself, Saloni Panda. Tomorrow itself, our regular content will start. Nihar, better. Python Selenium, Python Java. Python Selenium, you go for it. Python Nihar, Rotre. Yes. So check my query. I want to join in your new batch in the afternoon or evening session because some technical issue, unable to join this time. Sabir Pathan. This is a slot, ma. This is a slot right now vacant. Yesterday only my batch was there. In this slot, it is started. Further, it may start in the other slots also. That time you can join. Yes, ma'am. Gopi Chan, you will get 100, very perfect notes you will get, ma'am. You will get perfect notes in my class. Very extraordinary notes you will receive from my class. Okay? Right. Nothing to worry. Yeah. You contact Veera Mohanty. You contact in the office for payment details. Contact in the office for payment details. Sabir, it is my better thing is you continue in this batch. When new batch will start, you can shift into that. Yes, ma. Nihar, thank you, ma. Thank you for your compliments. Thank you for your compliments. Okay, okay. Shai Teja, okay. Are you understanding? Right, Shai Teja. Yes, ma. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, Praveen, thank you, ma. Thank you for your compliments. Yeah, I will show you. I will show you many of the websites. I will show you in the class. How to download the website, how to download the Python software. All those things I will explain. Right, ma? Veera Mohanty. You just you search in the net. You search in the net. Naresh I Technologies contact numbers. Veera Mohanty. You will get the contact number. You can contact. Even after 1 or 2 days, I will give the contact number to whom you need to contact for payment details. Yeah. Okay, ma. Sohan, IIT Delhi. Yes. Your elder sister is my core Java student. She is working in module lead in Deloitte now. Thank you, sir. Many houses are getting branded, but okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Sohan from IIT. So he is the one he pasted. This is his opinion. Sohan, IIT Delhi. His sister was my core Java student. She is working in module lead in Deloitte. And now, thank you, sir. Many houses are getting bread and butter for you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thanks a lot. Yes. Sohan, congratulations. Tell congratulations to your sister. She is my student. Tell her. Yes. Gopi Chand is asking. Gopi Chand is asking some doubt and it is called up. Yes. So Rahul, these are the applications what right now industry is using. These are the applications what industry is using. I told this entire things. These things I wrote in the class. These are all called varieties of areas where Python is useful. That is the point I said. These are the applications going on in our real MNC companies. Rahul. Yes, ma. Tejasvi, Vadlamodi. Tejasvi, please can you send once again your query, ma? Tejasvi, I did not see your query, ma. Yes, this is including both core Python as well as advanced Python. Core Python as well as advanced Python. Yes, sir. Okay. Hello, sir. I'm working in Intel. I would like to join Python, but I have a time constraint for completion of my work for file handling. Yes, ma. No problem. Up to file handling, it will take 1 month. File handling concept will come in 1 month. Tejasvi. Tejasvi. I think you understood that. Intel, you are working. Good. Yeah. Surya. Django is a separate course, ma. Yes. Aswari Pandit, some name. Practical programs will be, yes, I am showing in the class. Programming, perfectly I will explain in the class to you. Perfectly I will explain in the class. Right. Right. So, already conducted, consulted Naresh. I asked them to most experienced faculty in Python. They said your name. Okay, eagerly waiting to your batch. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Right. Yes, ma. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Yeah. Sabir Patan. So if you still enter into my class now, you will really coming to the extraordinary situations. Extraordinary levels you will come. Extraordinary level. Sabir Patan. I'm telling this to you right on the top of the page. Okay? Thank you. Yes, ma. Gopi Chand Murray. It is my advice for you to learn both Java and Python. It is my advice for all of you to learn both Java and Python. Yes, we 2029. I sir, I have been in training field for 10 years. Can I get a job? Yes, ma. So you are all aware of it. Whoever is in teaching line from the last in your colleges and all, once we have the coding standards very well, compulsory we will get the job. There is no doubt in that. This is my advice for all of you. Please make it granted. Once we know coding well, we'll get the job compulsion. Once we don't have the coding, once the SAR will not explain programming, they will not get the job. That's why this class is a purely programming. I told in the beginning only, once you attend this class and getting, you will become a king in the coding part. You will become an extraordinary student in the coding area. Yes. Gopi Chand Murray, I answered your query. Yes. So I will stop my things. Yes, ma. Sabir, you can happily do it. Sabir, you can do happily. You will have the flexibility of doing that. We have the flexibility. So especially in my batches, you have that facility. Yes. Yes. Sumant, Narikan IT. Yes, ma, you can listen my Python classes. Is it enough to get the further things? Right. Thank you. Now I have the 11 o'clock class is there, ma. I'll stop my class meeting. Tomorrow we will discuss it. Okay. Yes. Veera Mohanty. Yes, you can go for it. You can go for it. You can go for it. Yes, ma. Thank you. Good day for all of you. Tomorrow we will meet at 9 o'clock. Thank you. Good day. Yes, ma. All the best. Be safe. Stay at home. Tomorrow we will meet sharp at 9 o'clock. Please intimate to any friends are there. Please intimate to the friends also. It's my request to all of you. Please intimate to your friends also. Tomorrow we will start the regular topic. Original content we will introduce. Yes. Okay, ma. Venkateshwara.